What's up, YouTube? It's the Prove That Is Wrong podcast. And today we have, what's the name of it again? I gotta look and read. Knob Creek Kentucky Straight Bourbon Whiskey. You see? Yeah, you see that? Knob Creek. Knob Creek. Right here. Show you again. And as you see, 100 proof. Okay. But on part one, I just showed you me buying it. You know, I just showed you when I had got it. I got it last night, and this is my first time drinking it. Now, before you say anything, yes, I did went on ahead and took a shot of it when I first got it, because you know you gotta try stuff when you first get it. Just take a little sip, see how it tastes. Well, today I will be taking shots of Knob Creek Bourbon Whiskey. Yeah. Here we go. Finna pour up a shot. And I'm finna give you my honest taste. Like my honest thoughts, my honest taste, man. See? Yeah, you gotta rinse your shot glass out. Yeah, that's the little water from when I washed it out, yeah. Okay. You see the liquor right here? Once again, Knob Creek. That's what it says, Knob Creek. Kentucky Straight Bourbon Whiskey. Yeah. Here we go. On camera. Yeah. Now, about to take the first shot. And I'm gonna give you my honest opinion on how it tastes. Hey, it's wrong, but here's y'all know, Jack Daniels whiskey. So I done had that before. Gentleman Jack, I done had that. And now, this strong like some Jack, but Gentleman Jack, that's real strong. And that was that one shot that I took. And yeah, it's strong. If you're a person that like strong liquor, then here you go. Drink you some bourbon whiskey. Now, drink at your own risk. Drink at your own risk. Do not drink Knob Creek Kentucky Straight Bourbon Whiskey. Do not drink this to the head, man. Don't take this to the head, man. It's 100 proof too. So do not take this to the head like that. Don't do that. Don't do yourself like that. Don't do yourself like that. See that bottle right here? Now it's time for shot number 2. First one was just a little, you know, a taste for y'all on camera, you know, reveal. I already done tried it off camera. You know, I had to crack it open to see what it was talking about. Oh yeah, and once again, as you see, that shot is filled almost to the top. Why? It's because I'm used to taking shots. I'm not a person that sit here and just drink liquor straight from the bottle like that, like other people do. Like as I said, drink this at your own risk. And yes, this is brown liquor, dark liquor, however you want to say it. But shot number 2. Now that I took that second shot, I'm gonna take one more shot for y'all. One more. Can't be getting all drunk on the camera, man. Can't get drunk for YouTube now. I'm gonna take one more shot for y'all. One more. That'll make 3. Now, yeah, it's good liquor. It's whiskey. Whiskey always gonna taste good. Always whiskey. If you're not a fan of whiskey, then it's not for you. But I'm a fan of whiskey. I done had whiskey before. I done drank Jack Daniel, Baby Jacks. If I had a Baby Jack beside me right now, I'll show you that it's whiskey. But everybody knows that. But like I said, one more shot. Hold on for a minute. Yeah. That glass bottle. See? See that little bit? Little something in there, you see? Yeah? For the 3rd shot. That final shot. Oh, you can pour your shot at your own risk. Pour your shot at your own risk, man. Pour that shot at your own risk. Last shot. The last shot. You see? Excuse me. Burping. Just took 2 shots of that whiskey. Now, as I say, let me just say this here. If you is a person, let me just drink this first and tell you what I want to say. If you're a person that like whiskey, then this Knob Creek bourbon whiskey, it's Kentucky whiskey now. If you're a person that likes whiskey, then Knob Creek is for you. If you don't like whiskey, then it's not for you. Everybody got their own drink that they drink. They got their own drink that they like. If you like it, drink it. But I would recommend this to people that like whiskey. If you're not a fan of whiskey, don't go to the liquor store and pick this up. Do not go to the liquor store and pick this up, because you are going to regret it once you buy it. You're going to waste your money. Ugh, that's nasty. That's nasty. How you drink whiskey? You want to know how I drank whiskey? Started out drinking Baby Jacks. I tried it out. Then, after I done drinking it and I got used to it, it's nothing. So, if you like Knob Creek bourbon whiskey, then, try it out. Again, if you like it already, try it out. If you haven't tried it, then you like me, my first time drinking it. Now, that concludes the video of part 2. The first part, I just showed you the bottle. What was the name of the bottle? What I had got. Now, this is the second part. Now, until next time. But always remember that I'm going to give you entertainment videos. Always remember that. And if you don't remember anything else, just remember that from the Prove That It's Wrong podcast. And I'm out. Oh, yeah.